It's me, Mikey Pipes. Happy Sunday, May 1st, 2022. Just left the house on my way to an emergency service call on the other side of the tracks. Homeowners just got home to their townhouse and saw water dripping from the dining room ceiling, and it's originating from the bathroom. They're panicking. They called Pipe Doctor, and I picked up the phone. The guys typically have the weekend off, and I run the emergency calls on the weekends when they come in. On Sunday, that is. I don't work on Saturday. And on the radio, I want to be rich. Define the definition of rich. What is your definition of rich? Money, they say, doesn't buy happiness. It helps, but it does not buy happiness. It doesn't. So I'll translate that song: be rich with a great family, friends, community, a great career. That makes one rich. All right, guys, just down the block from the Sprinter and right down the block from the job. Stay tuned. You're not going to want to miss this one. I promise you. Thumbs up, subscribe, share, and comment. Smash that notification bell to get post notifications when I drop a video to this channel, which I try to do on a daily basis, 5 to 6 days a week. Multiple bells. Hi.
Thank you so much.
You're welcome. I don't know if I can do anything, but let's see.
At least we'll get your opinion.
Okay.
You know, we haven't lived here yet. We bought the house and went to Florida, and we just came back today. So this is a great.
Hi. How are you?
Okay.
This is Mike. This is.
Hi, Mike.
Hi.
This is Jenny's husband.
Hi.
Hi. How are you?
I'm better than my,
So directly above is the master bathroom.
yes.
We didn't realize that's what it was, but yeah.
How long has it been empty for? I know you said you didn't move in yet.
We were gone since November, but we did come back 1 week
2 weeks.
in March.
Right, we're
And
back
it was
in-
not here in March.
Let's go upstairs.
This is a recent development.
Can I give you booties?
I'll take the shoes over to
All
you.
right, because I have white carpet, but it is a mess up there.
I'll take them with me.
Now, let me ask you something. Do you think that's going to fall or something?
Not yet.
I'm worried about it.
Not yet.
If it gets more wet,
Yeah.
That's why.
it's dried up another way.
All right, be prepared. It's really a mess.
You said it was white carpet. It's off white carpet.
Well, I don't want it to be brown carpet. Okay.
All right. So, where did this come from? Let's see.
Both of those things, the back wall is wet.
The back wall is wet. Yep. I see a drip.
So you don't think it's a toilet or is
Nope. Very slowly coming from the faucet.
Wow.
Wow. At a minimum, you'll get new vanities, and because the cabinets are destroyed.
Yeah.
Yeah. You gotta get the water cleaned up ASAP. All right, so not really much that I could do here right now. I isolated the problem, referred them to an adjuster to deal with their insurance, and get the remediation people in here ASAP. It's obviously been leaking for quite a while, and it sucks to come home to a flood in your house, but just make sure you got proper coverage. All right, and that's why I insure my business with Next.